Ang ang parable na babasahin natin ngayon ay nag-ugat ng sinabi ni Pedro sa Panginoon Jesus sa chapter 19 sa nakaraan, verse 27. Sabi ni Pedro, "What will we receive after leaving everything to follow you?" At may pangako si Jesus na bibigyan niya ng gantimpala ang mga sumusunod sa Kanya, ang mga sumunod na nakaranas ng kawalan dahil kay Kristo. Si Pedro, tulad din ng ibang Hudyo ng Israel, ay ignorante sa plano ng Diyos na iligtas ang mga Hintil. Hanggang ipinaalam ng Diyos sa kanya sa pamagitan ng pangitain na naisip ni Pedro na maliligtas din pala ang mga Hintil. Sinabi nila na sinuko na lahat para sumunod kay Jesus at nagiging self-righteous at mayabang sila at alam ni Jesus ang kahinaan nila. Kaya ikinikwento ni Jesus ang talinhaga na parable na ito para malaman nila ang kanilang kayabangan at tinuturuan sila na magpakumbaba. So basahin natin sa chapter 20 ng Matthew verses 1 to 16. "For the kingdom of heaven is like a landowner who went out early in the morning to hire laborers for his vineyard. Now when he had agreed with the laborers for a denarius a day, he sent them into his vineyard. And he went out about the third hour and saw others standing idle in the marketplace, and said to them, 'You also go into the vineyard, and whatever is right I will give you.' So they went. Again, he went out about the 6th and the 9th hour and did likewise. And about the 11th hour, he went out and found others standing idle and said to them, 'Why have you been standing here idle all day?' They said to him, 'Because no one hired us.' And he said to them, 'You also go into the vineyard, and whatever is right you will receive.' So when evening had come, the owner of the vineyard said to his steward, 'Call the laborers and give them their wages, beginning with the last to the first.' And when those came who were hired about the 11th hour, they each received a denarius. But when the first came, they supposed that they would receive more, and they likewise received each a denarius. And when they had received it, they complained against the landowner, saying, 'These last men have worked only 1 hour, and you made them equal to us, who have borne the burden and the heat of the day.' But he answered one of them and said, 'Friend, I am doing you no wrong. Did you not agree with me for a denarius? Take what is yours and go your way. I wish to give you to this last man the same as to you. Is it not lawful for me to do what I wish with my own things? Or is your eyes evil because I am good? So the last will be first, and the first last. For many are called, but few are chosen." So matutunan natin dito na soberano ang Diyos para magligtas sa bawat tao. Maawain siya at gusto niyang kaawaan at sa kanyang takdang oras, tulad ni Timothy na naligtas ng maaga, nagsilbi sa Diyos ng 40 to 50 years. Ang thief on the cross, tulad sa parable na nabasa natin, ika-11th hour. Makasalanan siya buong buhay niya. Pero nung sa krus siya, ay bigla siyang niligtas ng Diyos. Pareho silang nahugasan ng dugo ni Jesus, at wala rin tayo maitulong sa ating kaligtasan. Kung ano man ang natanggap natin ay biyaya lamang ng Diyos. Sa mga wala pa kay Kristo, baka iniisip nyo na pwedeng magsisi o lumapit kay Jesus sa katandaan natin. Ngayon na ang araw na lumapit tayo kay Jesus. Bihira ang naliligtas sa deathbed. Ang magnanako ay nakasama ni Jesus lamang ang naligtas na nabasa natin sa Biblia sa huling namatay, at wag natin asahan na pwede rin natin ito gawin.